A for apple. So write apple. Big letter. The small letter you write. Put starting line like this. Okay friends, next slanting line, sleeping line. Side slanting line, right side slanting line, sleeping line. Left side slanting line, right side slanting line, sleeping line. Right side slant, left side slanting line, right side slanting line, sleeping line. Left side slanting line, right side slanting line, sleeping line. Left side slanting line, right side slanting line, sleeping line. Small a. You write first curve like this. Like curve, go up and come down. Okay? C curve, go up and come down. C curve, go up and come down. C curve, go up and come down. Down, down. C curve, go up and come down. This is capital A, this is small a. Friends, this capital A, this big. The phonic sound apple. Okay, small a. How to write? Slanting left side slanting right, right side